Good morning, students. Welcome to English class. Today I am going to tell you a story written by an American writer, Washington Irving. It is a very interesting story. Listen it carefully. Let us start the story. This story takes place in a Dutch village in America in the 18th century. There lived a simple man named Rip Van Winkle. He was a very lazy man, and his wife always told him to go to work to earn some money. One day he went out of the house with his dog Wolf. He liked going to the mountains to hunt. He also liked sitting in the mountains and watching the world below. The blue river Hudson, the green woods, and the white cliffs in the distance. He stayed up. That day he stayed up in the mountains till late. It was getting dark when he started walking down to the village. Then he heard a voice. Rip Van Winkle, Rip Van Winkle. Somebody was calling out his name. He looked in that direction and saw a strange figure with something on his back. He noticed on his shoulder he had a big barrel full of liquor. Rip helped the man with the barrel. They went down the hill and came to an opening in the meadows. In the middle of the meadows, there were some strange people. They poured the liquor into cups and continued drinking. Rip was afraid, but when the strangers didn't look him, he also tried the liquor. It was a tasty old Dutch liquor. He tried another cup and another one, and finally he was drunk. He lay on the ground and fell asleep. He woke up at the place where he met the strange man, but all funny looking men have gone away. He called onto his dog, but there was no response. As he started walking back to home, he saw the village seemed changed. In the village, he didn't recognize the people. People also didn't recognize him. It was difficult for him to find his own house. Rip Van Winkle's strange clothes and rusty rifle attracted the attention of the people. They asked, "Who are you? Who are you looking for?" Rip Van Winkle replied, "I am looking for my neighbor, Nicholas Vedder." Nicholas Vedder? Oh, someone said. He died 18 years ago. Then Rip Van Winkle asked, "Where is Boom Butcher?" Someone replied, "He went to war and died in the Battle of Stony Point in 1779. "And who you are?" asked the man. Rip Van Winkle replied, "I went to mountains yesterday. The year was 1759. Today I am back and do not recognize anybody." People looked at each other and tapped their foreheads. They thought he was madman. In the meantime, a child in a woman's arms began to cry. "Hush, the man won't hurt anybody." The tone of her voice was familiar to Rip. "What's your name?" he asked. "Judith Gardner." "Oh, I am Rip Van Winkle, your father." They hugged each other. Rip Van Winkle really have slept for a long time. So students, this story may be a work of fiction. Means it is not a real story. It may be an imaginary story. But anyhow, we have enjoyed an interesting story. So now on the basis of this story, You have to attempt the question answers, the fill-ups, the match the column, the true false given in the worksheet. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected, be positive in your thoughts. Thank you. Have a nice day.